Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to source for unique, thoughtful product overviews. Today, we're showcasing what we believe is the best gong stand mounted with mallet, the lifting Buddha gong stand designed for 6 to 7-inch gongs. At first glance, this stand looks like more than just a piece of musical hardware. It's a whimsical, almost spiritual tribute to strength and support. Inspired by the image of the laughing Buddha, this version, affectionately named the lifting Buddha, takes on a more powerful role. Instead of beckoning joy with arms raised, the lifting Buddha is portrayed as a strong, grounding figure, metaphorically carrying the weight of the world, or in this case, your gong, with effortless grace. Crafted entirely from wood, the stand comes in 3 easy-to-assemble pieces. No tools or screws are needed. Just align the components, slot them into place, and you're done. It's as if the simplicity of assembly is part of the enlightenment journey this product subtly promotes. The creators have achieved a design that balances strength with charm. It's simple, yet undeniably strong. Functional, yet decorative. The dimensions are just right for smaller gongs. Standing 11.25 inches tall, 13 inches wide, and 6.25 inches deep, the stand doesn't take up too much space. It's ideal for meditation rooms, altars, desks, or anywhere you want to introduce a sense of ritual or calm. Despite its compact footprint, it carries a lot of visual personality, making it an eye-catching piece. Now, let's talk about the mallet, which is not just included, but cleverly integrated. The magnetic design means the mallet actually attaches to the stand when not in use. That keeps things tidy and ensures your mallet is always within arm's reach when you need it. And yes, the magnet is strong enough to keep the mallet in place, but not so strong that it becomes a hassle to remove. It's these small touches that elevate this from being just another percussion accessory. The magnetic mallet hanger shows thoughtfulness in design and a desire to enhance the user's experience through convenience and subtle delight. There's also an almost playful reverence in how the product is described. The creators mention that if the Dalai Lama were to see it, he might say it rivals Desmond Tutu for being the cutest little spiritual leader in the universe. And whether or not that's true, the sentiment encapsulates the energy of this product, lighthearted, peaceful, and powerful all at once. It's also worth mentioning that this product supports a small business, making it a great choice for conscious consumers. Every purchase not only brings a charming and well-designed item into your life, but also supports creators with heart and purpose. So if you're someone who owns a 6 to 7-inch gong and is looking for a stand that matches the spirit of your practice, or you simply want a decorative yet functional piece for your space, the lifting Buddha gong stand might just be the perfect fit. That wraps up our look at the lifting Buddha gong stand. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more thoughtful critiques of niche and beautifully designed products, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching Product Critique. We'll see you in the next video.